Bed Bug Training Institute. Bed Bug Action Plan for Apartments. Instructor. Eric Flynn. Introduction. Bed bug infestations have been a nightmare for many apartment managers. Many complexes have been sold or closed down due to the inability of the complexes to eradicate the infestations. One reason why this has occurred is because many landlords will try to approach bed bug treatments on a unit-by-unit basis in order to save money. Many managers will attempt to charge tenants for the extermination. Therefore, many tenants will not report a BB infestation because they cannot afford to pay for it. Complexes need to be proactive when it comes to bedbugs and not wait until there is an infestation to take action. Bed bug training for staff. Apartment managers really need to become bed bug experts themselves. Your employees need to know what a bed bug looks like, and how to identify BB evidence so they can recognize an infestation when they see one. Having a specialized pest management company come in and provide training to all employees should be done. If you want to take control of infestations, managers should be prepared to pay the bill. If the complex will not pay for the bill, tenants may attempt to treat themselves, which will only make the problem worse. Community information. Developing a bed bug awareness program for all tenants is key. These are some things that should be included in the program. Printed literature describing bed bugs and their evidence. Make sure these are in multiple languages. Signs near the dumpsters warning residents of BB-infested furniture. Notices encouraging tenants to report any BB sightings or any evidence to management ASAP. Place signs in laundry areas warning tenants not to throw any infested bags into the trash, they should be thrown away outside. When an infested unit is reported. When a unit is reported to have bedbugs, you should call a pest management company immediately to set up an inspections appointment for the reported unit and the surrounding units as well. PMCs will provide a list of extensive prep for the tenants to do. These are very important. Lack of prep can lead to a failed extermination. Management should make sure prep is done properly by the tenant. Some companies will provide a follow-up inspection 2 weeks after an extermination in which they will ask the tenants how the previous 2 weeks have been. Adjacent units. Bedbugs have the ability to move from unit to unit through the walls. When a unit reports to have a BB issue, all adjoining units should be inspected as well to make sure they do not have an issue as well. Proactively treating adjacent units is highly recommended to prevent any additional infestations throughout the units. Interceptors under bed legs and furniture legs can be a way to see if an adjoining unit has a bed bug issue as well if the complex cannot afford to exterminate the infested unit plus all adjoining units. Expectations of control. Expecting bedbugs to be eradicated after a treatment is not realistic. Bedbugs are often more apparent after an extermination. Residents should be encouraged to report anything they are seeing after an extermination to management. It is not uncommon to continue to see bedbugs for up to 2 weeks after an extermination. If prep is not done correctly, or there is an extreme amount of clutter, multiple treatments may be needed until those issues are taken care of by the tenants. Making sure your tenants have realistic expectation of what to expect from an extermination. Vacant units. Bedbugs become inactive when there are no hosts present and will not be drawn out to come in contact with the chemicals. Bedbugs will usually move to another unit that has a host that they are able to feed on. In these situations, a scent canine would be beneficial to see if bedbugs are hiding in the vacant unit. Notifying all potential future renters of the vacant unit of possible bedbugs should be done. Once a new host is in place, if bites occur or bugs are seen, contact your PMC immediately. Chemical fumigation. Although not as popular as insecticide treatments, fumigation is often attempted if insecticide treatments have failed. In locations with extreme clutter, oftentimes fumigation is the best option to eliminate bedbugs and their eggs. Chemical fumigation of an entire building is guaranteed to eliminate the issue, unless tenants continue bringing them into the home. Heat. Heating units are now available for the treating of apartment buildings. The unit is treated by raising the temperature to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The heated air will kill any bugs in cracks and crevices. Heat chambers can also be used to treat a tenant's belongings. The biggest downfall to heat treatments is that there is no residual like chemical treatments have. Will not prevent any protection if bugs are brought back in after the treatment.